At this point, I am the mother of gua shaing. I'm an esthetician. I gua sha every single day, and my face is snitchity snatched. I got that long ballerina neck, long draft, puff face. If you want to be like this too, keep watching. I promise it's going to do something for you. I do it every single day. Once again, past 2 years, feeling great, feeling beautiful. We do this in the shower, and for the people that say it takes up a lot of water, my routine takes like under 3 minutes, and I just use my cleanser. Gives me a little slip, and this is where we begin to warm up all those lymph nodes that we're going to be draining the fluid into. We start at the bottom and work our way up, because if we try to pass fluid through like a place that was not yet drained, the drainage would not be optimal. So we work in sections, just the way that you brush your hair when you detangle it. You work your way up. 10 is definitely the magic number in this routine. It just helps you remember, and therefore you're more consistent if you know your routine by heart. So I feel like this one is the one that's going to snatch you the most. You're taking it along the jawline, down the sternocleidomastoid, which is such a hard word to say, but that thick ass muscle on the side of my neck. I take it down that, and look how you could literally play guitar with my neck. Like, there's so many strings. I love being snitchy snatched. And yeah, make sure you're using light pressure here, and try to focus on a 45-degree angle. So we're really just moving that fluid through. But yeah, copy my routine, get you a little shower mirror like I'm about to show you guys. It's so worth it. And start doing this routine. It's so easy. Thank you.